The Infinix Smart 7 HD is an entry-level smartphone. It's designed to offer essential features at an affordable price. Built to cater to users who need a reliable device for basic tasks, the Smart 7 HD combines practicality with a user-friendly experience. Its large display offers a clear and vibrant viewing experience, making it ideal for browsing, watching videos, or social media use. This smartphone is equipped with a capable processor that ensures smooth operation for everyday tasks like texting, calling, and app usage. The phone's design is lightweight and comfortable to hold, so it makes it great for, as an option for those who prefer no frills and easy to use as a device. And in terms of photography, the Infinix Smart 7 HD typically comes with a decent camera setup that allows users to capture clear photos and videos for casual use. While the camera does not offer advanced features found in higher end models, it provides enough quality for day-to-day snapshots.